Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Barkaji Vincent from Mooring Bay Court. It's close to my house. My house is across that big building. That is for the elder, I think, the caring center. This is a built new house. Usually people they don't walk on that side of the jetty. There is a lady lives here in that gray building. Very mean. You see the walkway from the their uphill with a woodwork walk. So one day she was like kind of screaming anyway, and I just passed those ducks. Now I'm here, and usually I go, those are the houses like by the Bayville Avenue, so they're very close to the water. And my road is, you see like the big road over there, that is my road. I go up, and of course sun will set soon, and now it's still a little bit up. And this is the view of the from my side, how beautiful. You see now this is ocean is